if you are encountering that this page isn't available right now error on Facebook, then in this video I'll share a few methods that you can try to fix this issue. First is clear Facebook cache. Go to settings on your phone, tap on apps. Here search for Facebook and tap on it. Tap on storage and cache. Then tap on cache and clear it. Now go to Facebook and check if the issue is resolved. Next you can try updating the Facebook app. Go to the Play Store, search for Facebook app, and if there is an update available, update the application. You can also try uninstalling and then reinstalling the app to see if this resolves the issue. Check if you have been blocked. If you are encountering this error on a specific friend's page, it's possible that the person may have blocked you. In that case, you can use another account or ask a friend to visit that page and see if it's available. Lastly, the cause could be technical glitches, upgrades within Facebook system, or Facebook server is down. To check if Facebook is down, you can visit downdetector.com on your browser and search for Facebook, or you can also search for the error on Twitter. In such cases, you may need to wait until the Facebook team resolves the problem. So that was it. Which method worked for you? Do let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.